Throughout my life as an algo trader who is always using modern technologies to advance, optimize my trading bot for you, I have to be sincere to you that it is not easy to develop a trading bot that is always making profits no matter the condition of the market. But guess what? There's a good news, and the good news is that nothing is impossible, because as you all know, in this channel we are working tirelessly to push the boundary of limitations in trading. Let me explain how. Remember our VIXI bot that we had, and our VIXI bot that has offspring of Gambler bot, the two offsprings, Gambler bot and Gambler bot v2. So we have the VIXI bot which is temporarily unavailable right now. So if you click on settings right here on the VIXI bot, link is going to be in the description, and you go to VIXI bot, is temporarily unavailable. And if you click on start on this bot right here and navigate to my FX book URL that you are seeing right here, you are going to see the URL to my FX book, which is here, the track records. You can see the gain here is 64.27% when with this absolute gain, but you can see the drawdown is very high right here. If you check out the drawdown here, you are going to see that the drawdown is high. You understand? So I'm going to explain why the drawdown is high right here. And this trading bot has been trading the VIXI bots. Some of you have been using this trading bot, but it wasn't perfected, and we are going to say the trading bot I am going to introduce to you right now is perfected, though they are still going to be upgraded, because as we are living, there are going to be more advanced and innovation or renovation as well. So we have a perfect trading algorithms in which I'm going to explain the problem of this previous one and how the current one that we are having right here is going to solve the problem and supercharge the whole trading activities that we have. So your experience is going to be incredible, because you are going to trade without losing your money, just like not as before when you are trading and sometime accidentally or intentionally, or the market condition just change and you lose all your money. So the problem with this trading bot was that it actually trade in one direction, and the floating losses was very high whenever it is martingale and holding positions. But the holy grail trading bot right now that solved this problem, and it's rather than floating on losses like this VIXI bot. If you've been using VIXI bot for the past time that we've been releasing VIXI bots, let's not talk about the gambler bots, because the gambler bots was specifically for gambling, which you gamble to hit big or lose it all. But for the sake of VIXI bot, which is normal trading, that was using martingale, which is the redefined martingale as we referenced last time in our previous video. So you can notice how it execute the position. So the way it execute the position is that when it execute the position, it keep martingale and then waiting for the market to revise. But in that case, it was running on losses, that is floating losses, very big floating losses. So now I have a trading strategy in which I develop right here. I have a window OS that is running in one of my clusters right here. So I've fired up remote desktop to my cluster here in my office. So if I navigate to the cluster here, you can see I have my Windows OS here in which I am running and testing some of the trading algorithms. This trading bot right now can be used in production, meaning you can use it to trade, though the development is not ready. So it appears to be it's available as a beta version in which anybody can use it. So if you are interested to use it, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video to join the official Discord channel, and then message me. I'm going to show you the instruction on how to activate this your trading bot, which is the holy grail trading bot, the perfect holy grail trading bot as I might call it, because it doesn't lose any money, in the description. So click on it, join it, message me, and the activation is absolutely free of charge, so you don't have to pay a dime through the activation. So you just have to follow the instruction to sign up on our supported brokers. I'm going to drop the link in the description as well for you to sign up. So now I have this my trading bots code. This trading board right here doesn't have it's just the experiments. I was experimenting with different algorithms, testing and so on, with mathematical expression as well, to come up with this idea of trading, like I would say holy grail trading right here. So I have this script now. I still have to optimize it with news filter, with season trading, and sometimes AI to analyze the news and predict the markets while the bot turn on. But currently now it is totally based on algorithms. There's no news filter which has to do with fundamentals, so it's based on technical analysis, and there's no AI applied to it. So that's how it is for here. So what I am going to explain right here is that we have a trading system that actually knows how to leverage on the direction of the market. If the market is going up, we are going to float in heavy profit rather than floating on losses like the previous one, which makes it the holy grail, because you always wake up and see your account floating in profits rather than floating in loss. So that's the power of this trading board right here. For the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm not going to go ahead and explain the code behind this trading board right here, but I'm going to go ahead and backtest it so that you see the difference if you've been using the previous trading board. If you've not been using it, there's going to be a link in the description. Click on it and it's absolutely free to use. Test it and see the power of algorithmic trading. We call it algorithmic intelligence. It's not the artificial intelligence, but we used to supercharge it with artificial intelligence. This is the previous backtest I did with this trading board. So I'm going to quickly navigate to my backtester right here, and from the start of this year, which is 1st of January 2025 to today's date, which is 21 of October here. So you can see I'm going to fund it with $1,000 right here. So let me stop the previous backtest I was using for experiment purpose. Okay, so I am just going to go ahead and visual mode is turned on. So the deposit is $1,000. So let me quickly turn it on and let's go to the backtest terminal and let me quickly show you something incredible. Now look at the floating losses right here. When the market is it uses martingale, no doubt, but you won't even notice that it is using martingale right here. So we are just going to watch it. Let me quickly speed up the backtesting process right here. You can see whenever the trade is trending, the market is trending down right now, you can see we have buy position here which is supposed to be floating in heavy loss like the previous one, but this always float in profit. It's always float in profit right here. So that's the holy grail that we've developed so far. Remember, this is just the beta version of it. So imagine when we have the main production ready, which is not beta mode anymore, you are going to like it. So remember, it's absolutely free of charge, and if you enjoy this type of videos, do well to click on the subscribe button, comment down below I want this bot if you want to get it for free. So I'm going to send it to you once you message me. Remember, if you do not comment on this video I want this bot, you are not going to get access to this bot for free. So if you want it, it's absolutely free of charge. You can comment down below and I'm going to send it to you right here. So it's the holy grail bot, and this bot is not available for sale and is not available for anyone, but there's a way you can activate it right away. Just message me, I'm going to let you know how to activate it. You can see how the chart is actually going, though we have a little drawdown here in which I'm going to redefine it and tell you the reason why for the drawdown. But for now, we will continue with the purpose of this video, which is to show you the holy grail part of this trading bots right here, which is different, totally different from the previous one. So this is on Euro USD right here, so I can easily go and backtest it on gold, which is what it was meant for. You can see it always floating on profit, right, compared to the previous trading bot that was always floating in heavy losses, you understand. But this is holy grail. It is holy grail right now. So I am just going to take it, let it finish back testing. We can't wait for it to finish on this video, so I'm going to pause it right here. It's just to show you it can run like this till infinity, even though you want to go back to 1998 when I was born, and then you start testing this trading board right away. It is going to trade with no loss. Like, it's not going to blow your account till date. That's the power of this trading board right away. So you can see we've already grown to 2000 USD here without even allowing it to get to the end. Remember, we started from January and this is 13th of February, so we've made more than 100% of our balance so far. So I'm going to navigate to my MetaTrader 5 right here and click on here, and then let me select the gold as the trading symbol here, and on the inputs I'm going to adjust some parameters. Do not worry about the parameters I am adjusting here. I'm going to let you know the meaning of these parameters whenever I release this bot. Remember, this bot is not for sale. It's not for the public, but there's a way you can use it. Just comment down below and you will get it to use it. So I have to then change this option to 50 for the break-even points, and then this option I can leave it at $1,000 if I wish, because this is gold. We want to make more profit from it. I'm going to start the gold spots right away, and then we can navigate to the charts. Right here you can see the trades, the gold spot that is trading right here. So I'm going to quickly navigate to the charts of this trade. You can see how the equity curve is actually going. So we are floating in heavy profit. Imagine this is gold. So I'm going to stop it right away. I'm going to stop it right away because this is incredible. This is the holy grail this is the best trading bot I've ever built. I'm going to maximize the developments to cryptocurrencies, to other trading. This has been the best strategy I've ever developed throughout my history as an algo trader. So I'm going to split these strategies to work both on crypto and on Forex. Here we are experimenting it only on Forex trading. So it's not a problem. So I just have to show you, I just want to show you that if you are still here, even though maybe you've lost money throughout your trading journey, stay tuned, because trading, it's really worth it. This is not the fact that it's worth it if you are strong enough. Even though you are not strong enough, it's worth you trying. As long as you are with us in this channel and subscribe to this channel, comment down below. We are always going to simplify sophisticated trading algorithms and make it accessible to anybody of any experience level. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to comment down below, I want to test this bot, and you get it for completely free of charge. Join the Discord channel, message me, and I'm going to be more than happy to give you access to use this bot right away. There's a user who actually funded his trading account, in which I can navigate to my VPS and show you his trading account that he funded on this bot after coming to see the backtest of this bot right here. If I log into one of my OS in my cluster right here, in which you can see here, this user actually funded his account with $2,000, which we activated these bots right here. So you can see the bot right here, which is the bot we actually tested. I added it today and it's already closed some position. I think it's made $77 so far right now. So this is just how this is the holy grail of trading. So you have to try it out. It's absolutely free of charge. So I'm not making this video because I'm trying to sell you anything. Just have to show you that something like this is feasible. So that's why we are here. So do well to subscribe to this channel, and until then I will see you in the next video.